Now the manufacturing is in China. The market is huge, the funding is great, and the opportunity are just fantastic. I came to China just a couple of months ago. We want to establish a strong platform for metal 3D printing. They are strong, they're durable, we apply special surface treatments so they grow faster inside the human tissue. The price will be cheaper.
One of the technology that we have recently developed is to use starch, which is something that from plants, and that can be turned into adhesive that can be used to making furniture, to making things together. That can replace those widely used formaldehyde containing products, but those things that are very toxic, that is not what we want.
For example, from mushrooms they can make leather. You know, this is they call them the future goods, and this is exactly all about creative orange economy. How we look to see how we can enhance our future by bringing new materials, you know, but natural. This is all what we do, sustainable industrial development, and this is the theme of UNIDO.